Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Dr. Ampareen Lingdo, ka Badairu ka Kyrtong Jong ka NPP na Shillong parliamentary seat, haki election MP siya ka Ying Dorbar Thawan ka Lok Sabha, Baladep, ka Laong Balada ka Job na Ramru ka Sorkar ka Pynmyntoi na ka Jinglong, kum ka Kyrtong, namar ka Layat siya ki Kendong kan Shrat Jong ka Wan Shillong parliamentary seat, Batlingba ka Jinglet Rung siya ki Shnong ki Thau ka Sngut Hu Menta, yaki eki kam ki ba ka Sorkar ka Deban Le. Habaya keren berkilat pathai kubor haka khatnyo tarik jemang arjar pasau, nakaliang kakong Ampareen ka Laong Balada ki Breu ki Ong, baka jela Meghalaya kam kiyo syaprang, te kila bakla, namar hadin ka Jinglet Jongka syakilai pesan teli ki constituency, lait no ka lait umkra, kalayo iya shibun ki kam Pynmyntoi, ki balanang kiyo haka jela. Kakong Ampareen ka Laong ru, haka bayade baka jingshim jingken halor ka jingjop jingram, haka election MP, kalong ka bae, watla ka de ka kamram jong ki sengsan perthai banlum jingken ru, Henry ke election MP pat ka Pher, bat kalong ka bae. Nakaliang ka kong Ampareen ka pentip ru. Bakum ka Kyrtong ka lale ya ka kam ka badai ban pendap. Henry ki aka baro ki Shong ha ka jing penyat ublay, bat en saap satang ka result ka ban sa penbena ha ka saw tarik ubena jeliu arajar arpusaw.
In this MP. Either ways, win or lose, government will benefit from my candidature. I have been to every nook and corner of one Shillong parliamentary seat. I now know what government has to do. I have gone there in person. Fourth thing, if you say that Meghalaya has not progressed, then you are seriously joking. Because I have gone to 36 constituencies, minus mine, 35. The progress is very, very clear. We have better roads, we have better health facilities, the employment generation and opportunities across the 36 constituencies is very good, and I have seen that housing facilities for people has improved substantially. I have seen that access to healthcare, access to education is very much better than before. I have been with my father in the late 80s. I was a young girl. I understood what I was doing when I accompanied my late father. I subsequently travelled with PR India in 2004 election. I have gone to several locations with Mr. Vincent Pala during his preparations of elections, and I have gone again as a candidate. Let me tell you, I'm happy that we have progressed substantially. Now we have to fight that negative force which says that no government has done anything for the people. This is wrong. I'm happy that I'm candidate. I have become educated now as to what has happened and not happened. Whether I win or lose, assessments are just efforts put in by political parties to gauge whether or not they will win a particular election. If you must have seen, soon after the polls, there was great jubilation in one political group, where they were confidently saying that we're winning this election. But then actually MP is not a very easy election to assess. And if you ask me whether or not we have done an assessment, I will say yes, we have done an assessment. But whether or not we should share all of the assessment details is something which again we say no. There is no point in predicting. Anyways, there are laws in this nation today which do not allow any post-poll predictions, and we are leading this government and we will not share. You'll ask me, what are your hunches? I can only talk about a hunch. My hunch is very clear. I have offered my candidature to the people of one Shillong parliamentary seat. Now we will await to see the result, whether one Shillong parliamentary seat wants Dr. Ampareen or not to be their MP. I have offered, and I have said that if you make me your MP, I'm going to be working very hard. And I'm going to be a voice that will be heard. But if people reject me, now what you want me to say? I can only say, okay, I remain MLA then. But I think that it is time that the state of Meghalaya has a voiceful MP. You need somebody who will have the guts to talk. You need somebody who has the ability to prepare themselves to give an opinion on a certain issue. Whether or not the people of the state of Meghalaya, of especially one Shillong parliamentary seat, won me as their MP, we'll see when the result comes. I don't think anybody can guarantee any win for anyone. I think the media is also well seized of this complex situation. Wait for the 4th of June. No harm in waiting. I am one person who believes that I have given it my best. Let God do the rest.